Alright, so I think I figured out what the hell that like staticky noise was. I'm pretty sure it was the in-game music. So that is no longer being played. As you can see, I'm starting a new character. Mainly because my last one died, and I was very sad. But this gives us an opportunity to try new races. Look at all the races: human, dwarf, halfling, gnome, elf, etc. Which all have different, stats, different cool little things like insect eater. I can eat insects without even having to capture them, which is good, I guess. Blacksmith, which is something I haven't done yet. I've done ranger, warrior, wizard. Uh, that's it. So, you will start knowing how to craft a weapon, a shield, and a piece of armor with 3 random materials. I think that'll be interesting. A lizard blacksmith named that. Us. So the sex or gender or whatever, I didn't put man or woman because I'm like, it's a lizard. I don't know if that explains anything, but yeah, permadeath on, just to make it amazing, I guess. Alright, let's get into it. So in this game, your main objective is to like kill this boss at the end, but I like to think of it as like, I'm trying to see how long I can survive. Oh, I skipped all of that because, sorry, I'll show. Never mind. Shh. All right, and if I have to pause, I'll just pause and then play again, if that makes sense. I like attacking people. Wait, how did I get skilled already? Wait, whoa. Just starts. Okay, I learned the punch skill. I punched him. Wait, that was a stone giant. So he gave me stone. This guy, why? Why do they need dust? It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter. In the last video, these are all relatively doable because it's only one leather. Like, one leather's easy to get. Now a dagger, I don't even like using daggers, to be honest. Oh my god, I'm dying. Okay, yeah, so that's like the first thing you get, first mission or quest. Ooh, a dungeon. Bro, it's Franklin, bro. He wants me to kill a white dragon wormling. Easy. Level 1, just gonna go start murking some dragons. Just gonna start punching everything real quick. Okay. 8 bone. Why? Okay. Okay, you want bone, but why 8? Like, it's a lot. Ooh, bandit. Okay, 4 bone. You see, that's more acceptable. That's like, okay, I could get you 4 bone, but like, this guy wants double that amount. Oh no. Oh yeah, with the lizard, another thing is I can flee every time. Like, every time I want to run away, I can. So I'm a slithery, little cold-blooded lizard trying to make my way, make my living off of punching creatures. I'm getting stabbed with a spear. He's got claws. Oh my god. Alright, man, I obtained a bomb. I repeat, I'm about to bomb a city right now. Shh. The FBI is coming after me. I thought that was the abort. Wait. So starvation is a really horrible thing in this game. It's so quick. It kills you so fast. Where was this inn at? Where was it at? 7, 8. And I'm at 2, 2. So that's... I see it. I see it off in the distance. Ah, I made it talk. Yes. Just dying from starvation. I'm so confused. I didn't even start off with any money. I don't think. What the hell? Oh, no. Why do I have skilled? I don't understand. Okay. Look, there's already a blacksmithing thing. Great. Oh, for those who don't know, this is the material tier level. So, starts with wood, leather, stone, bone, copper, tin, iron, bronze, silver, gold, diamond, obsidian. Yep. Yeah, and there's other rare materials, I guess. I never even read that part, so. You can repair tools. I don't have any tools, so I can't demonstrate. It's an orc town. Hopefully they're not racist. Damn. Orcs. Just kidding. Oh, an elf right next to it? I felt like there's a lot of, like, civil disputes. Magic shop? Oh, yeah. I like capture monster. Having pet monsters is the best, in my opinion. It's just fulfilling, definitely. Teleport stone, fire camp. Wait, I can sell stuff. Oh, I have gold ore? What? When did that happen? Sell all? Wait a second. Okay, well, uh, I knew this. I didn't at all. I guess if you have more than one, you can just sell all by holding it. Good to know. I've been playing this game for a while and did not realize. Small brain, sorry. Diamond shield. It's 2 attack and 1 defense. So I'm just going to be ramming my diamond shield into people's necks, apparently. It's main use. I have like a whole bone fit going on out here. If I do buy those, but like, it's crazy. Alright, I need to start actually doing something in my life. Like leveling up. Oh, there's a parrot in the farm. Killing goats out here. I want you all to realize I'm just punching monsters or oh, look at this. Watch. Smack. 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 Getting smacked around. Oh, leveled up. See, I don't even need to go to the inn to get health back. I just level up. That's how it works. Oh, look, there's a bug. I ate it. Oh, I'm leaving that. That was a bad idea. Look at me. Speed running. Actually, no, I'm not really speed running. Oh, a newt? Bro, I'm a lizard, and this is a... Newts are amphibians. But whatever, you know? He's still like my step cousin. It's like a distant relative. Both cold-blooded, to say the least. Unarmed mastery, bro. I got claws. What do you... I'm always armed. Lethal weapon. Bro, I almost got killed by a shark. That would have been like that circle of life right there. I don't know why lizards would be in the ocean, but just hunter shark. Bro, what are all these sharks doing in the water? Didn't they? Oh, wait. Oh, that's a reef shark. Oh, I'm dying from starvation. Struggle. Alright. This is bad. Definitely a pickle. I made it. I wasn't worried at all. Okay. Here we go. Dun dun dun. Wait. Skills. I'm trying to learn more unarmed skills. I never even tried to go through a playthrough unarmed. I thought that was like ridiculous. Like, how am I gonna fight a golden dragon just punching it to death? That's the real question. Lose 5 hunger every time I punch this dragon, so. And I got an emerald out of it. Literally just. I level up, let's go. Get punched. I don't play these games. Just like squaring up on a snake right now, just smacking it with my fist. Very interesting. Oh, I'm gonna die from starvation again. I mean, I didn't die. I just got really close. It's a parrot here. Nah, fuck parrots, bro. They try to kill me. Alright. I mean, not, I should. I didn't say any bad words. Good thing I'm not monetized. Yet. You see, I have a growth mindset for those. I'm not dying today. I don't even care if you're a mythical creature. Shaking that palm tree, get a coconuts. Bro, I'm just like your average typical lizard. I forgot I had a bomb. So this is how you use bombs, people. Oh, I got the title Bomber Man. And I got a potion of healing. Gladiator, more like getting punched to death by me. That didn't make any sense. All right. I'm not doing that again. I'm not good at jokes. But you think I'm intimidated by a dog? I punch dogs in the game, not in real life. What do you want? You want 3? Why does everybody want what I need? Like, God, that's remarkable. Alchemist. You know, I think health potions and experience potions are like broken in this game. But thing is, do I want to be an alchemist? Alright. In bar. Oh, there's a pet shop. Capture monster. Oh, I don't have any money. And there's an elephant in here. What? And I can learn. Oh my god, this is. I've been getting really lucky with these starts. There's just unlimited opportunities to like do crazy stuff. Sometimes I'm dumb and I like take stupid risks that make no sense. Let me just go here, equip this copper ring because it helps. Skill tree, always sacrificer. Always. Because you never know when you need that extra like 10 to 20 gold from just, you see 15 right there? Just from sacrificing a dead body, bro. Think about it. It adds up. Cult fanatic. More like get punched to death. Hammer fist. Yes. If only you could really like kill a rhinoceros with your fist. It was one hit. I mean, I wouldn't do that to a poor rhino, you know. But if I could. Oh, look at that. Starving again. Do they have a health potion in here? Yes. Dun, 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 dun. There's 2 capture monster books. I forgot what I was saying. No, I didn't. I remember. Oh. Yeah, I remember. I'm big brain. Sell real quick. Some gold ore. Okay. Well, this'll in a little bit the video will end. But next video will be just continuing off where we started. I don't know if I'm gonna take a break before or after. Did I just get crafting recipe for stick? Yep, I don't have any words for that one. Wait, bone shield. Only common, kind of salty. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go unarmed this whole game, this whole playthrough. It's gonna be called Lizard Blacksmith, all caps, and that's basically it. With my pet newt. I'm just gonna explore the whole map real quick, and then we'll call it a day. Call it a. Oh my god, real quick. My tailbone. Oh my god. I think I'm about to die. Nah, I'm not dying today. Alright, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Huh. Alright, well, this has been Native Lucifer in the house. That sounds pretty cheesy. I don't think I'm saying that ever again. Just gonna beat a dog up real quick. Take its tin pants because that makes sense. See, it's so random, you know? It's randomly random. Sacrifice its corpse. And we'll call it a day. permadeath. Alright. Peace out. Hope you all have a fantastic day or night or year, you know? Good vibes. God, I'm cringe. Okay, shh.